Everyone, today we're going to go over and I'm going to introduce the Friendship Stamp-Along event. What is a Stamp-Along, you may ask? Well, the Stamp-Along is a really awesome one-day virtual card making event that focuses on building community as well as exploring creative card making techniques. We have 5 incredible teachers, well 6 if you include me. First is Jennifer McGuire, Carissa Wiley, Mindy Eggen, Dana Joy, and Kelly Taylor. So incredible teachers, your favorites I know. They are bringing their best techniques to this wonderful event. The Friendship Stamp-Along is Saturday, March 7th, 2026, and registration is actually open now. We have 2 options for you for joining this event. Option 1 is the bundle and the class. The bundle is actually a wonderful collection of curated products specially designed for this event. And you get all those incredible virtual classes like we mentioned earlier. That bundle, or that option 1, the bundle and the class, is $149. The second option is just the classes, and that is $49. And that option is really awesome if you want to dig in your stash of products and follow along with the instructors and learn all those incredible techniques that they're going to share. Now let's take a look at everything included in the Friendship Stamp-Along bundle. First up, the bundle comes in this wonderful mesh bag with a zipper, perfect for storing all these products away. You get the wonderful white hero paste and a palette knife. And this is a very generous portion. It's 2 ounces. You're going to be able to not need any other paste for all the projects that you create in the classes. Another wonderful product included is the black acrylic speckle. This is such a wonderful product. I use it all the time for backgrounds and adding a little bit of detail. The instructors use this in such creative ways. I can't wait for you guys to see their projects. And of course, we have a paper pack included in this bundle. You have 16 sheets of colored cardstock. Let's open this up and see all the colors. You can see this beautiful palette of colored cardstock that's included in the bundle. In addition to all these colors, you also get 2 metallic sheets, 1 silver and 1 gold. Next up, we have all the products. Let's pull those all out. It's quite a bundle of products. First up, we have the Abstract Floral Stamp and Cut. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set with the coordinating dies in the back. This will cut and stamp some beautiful flowers and leaves. I love that these are solid stamps because that makes it so easy to create colorful cards. No coloring required. And here's a fun project showing you those beautiful flowers. Then we have the Hello Friend stamp set. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set. Clearly a sentiment set, but I love the bold hello and wonderful scripty friend. You also have the sub-sentiments here below, so a great way to create actually even a focal point with your sentiment. And there's even some flowers stamps as well. Here you can see this focal point on this card was created with this really wonderful set, and you can even overlap the sentiments because they are stamped. Such a great sentiment set. And we have a die as well that coordinates. This is the Hello Friend die set. This die set comes with 4 dies. You have a shadow layer and the outline or word or letter layer for each of these 2 sentiments, the hello and the friend. These can be stacked up or used individually, but they create, again, that really wonderful, bold focal point, and again, works so well with those sub-sentiments that you find in the Hello Friend stamp set. Next, we have a awesome 6x6 stencil. This is the Check Please stencil. I love this for backgrounds. I love the kind of slightly organic checkered board pattern. So beautiful. And you actually saw it here on these 2 cards. This is great for ink blending, pastes. Lots of fun creative techniques can be used with this stencil. Next up, we have the Bitty Floral panel die. This is a A2 panel die, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It cuts this wonderful panel or card front with leaves and flowers, kind of small cuttings out. So very, very pretty, almost a very lacy die cut when you're done. But what's wonderful about this floral die is that it actually works with a layering stencil. This is the Bitty Floral Layering Stencil Set. There's 4 stencils in this set, and this creates allows you to color all these flowers and leaves in very easily with ink blending and the stencils. And you can see here is a card I created with the 2 products together. So fun, lots of creative techniques that you'll find in the classes with these 2 products. And because the die cuts out all of the flowers and leaves, you can actually use the flowers and leaves all on their own to create little arrangements as well. So pretty. And this one may be my favorite, even though I'm not supposed to pick a favorite, but I love it so much. This is the Squiggly Rectangle Frames. This is a nesting frame set. You get several wonderful squiggly frames that you can use to decorate your panels or even create squiggly or wavy panels themselves. There's so many fun creative ways to use this. I love these, and I just used it on this card just to create a beautiful border, but you're going to see some wonderful projects and creative uses for this fabulous die set. And last but not least, we have a cling included in the bundle. This is the Friendly Type 6x6 cling. This cling has a fun friend and friendships, almost like a dictionary part or articles kind of pieced together to create this background. It's very creative. I love text or script backgrounds. They're just the perfect bit of detail and texture in the background, and this one is just truly stunning one. And I know you guys are going to reach for this one over and over again. So that is all the products included in the Friendship Stamp Along. You get so much, and it's awesome that it comes in that wonderful mesh bag to put it all away in. Once again, registration is now open, so head to heroarts.com or click the links below in the description to join the event. We'll see you March 7th for the Friendship Stamp Along.